Okay. Ang Barangay Tibukaw po sa second period ay may ilang time out? Oh, 10 period. Second quarter yan ay, second quarter. Oh. 10 short lang tayo, 10 short. Ilan ang time out ng Barangay Tibukaw? Ilan ang kakamitin nila? Tatlo. Ang barangay ito ay may tatlo rin. Okay. Okay. Tigtatlo kayo ng time out na Barangay 2 at Barangay 3. Ay, Tibukaw, Barangay. Okay. Ang team foul ay hindi. Ang foul. Personal foul. Okay. Si Lozano, okay, proceed, Mr. Rep. Change court po tayo. Change court. Number 3. Okay, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 35. It's number 8. To number 2 and 3. Yes. For 2 by number 3. 38-35. 3-point lead. By Barangay Tibukaw. Will Whistle, offensive foul on number 22. Offensive foul. Third personal foul on number 22, Doro. Third personal foul.
Third, Desidoro.
And first team foul. Number 3. Yes, for 2. 37-38. A 1-point lead para Barangay Tibukaw. 1-point lead. Number 27. Okay. 40. Points for Amir, number 3. 40 against 39. A 1-point lead para Barangay Tibukaw. Number 10. It's Amir, cover naman sa number 22. Number 22. Yes, for 2 by number 22. It's a 10-0. 41 against 40. Low. Number 8.
Dalawa.
Nagkakabalan ang magkasama. Number 22. Will Whistle. Foul number 8. Blocking foul on number 8. Number 8 is your third personal foul and first team foul. Sam, Mr. For the ball. Number 3 out for number 11. Number 3 for number 11. Okay. Proceed, Mr. Rep. Tatap ka. Rep ka lang.
No. Tira.
Number 3. Timeout. Barangay Tibukaw. Timeout. Barangay Tibukaw. Ang score po natin ay 44 against 40. It's a 4-point lead para Barangay Tibukaw. Barangay 2. Change favor na pa tayo. Change favor. 44 against 40. We have 5 minutes and 15 seconds for the third period. Ibukaw ang timeout. Ibukaw. Oh, mayroon lang sila. Dalawang timeout. Okay. Barangay Ibukaw, may 2 timeouts pa kayo. 2 timeouts. And Barangay 2, kompleto pa. 3. Okay, Mr. F. Back to the ball game. Hoy, proceed. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Oh, atras lang po tayo, atras. Number 17.
Nice Kunsi.
Number 32. Ano? Pumawi ka na, pumawi. 47-43. Stop. Okay, the ball goes out. Take ball. First to shoot, first to shoot. Okay, ang score ball natin ay 47-43. Amen! Salah. Foul on number 10. Blocking foul on number 10. Number 10 is your third personal foul number 10. Stop is for the ball. Number 10 out. Number 10 out. Foul number 3 in. Number 3. Okay, mga kuya, dito sa kaliwa. Dito sa kaliwa. For the ball, Mr. F. Mga kuya, atras lang po tayo dito. Huwag po natin kailangan tungkol ng management. Okay, yan. Salamat po. Diyan lang po tayo. Thank you. Okay, proceed, Mr. F. Proceed. Third personal foul. Ito. Okay, Barangay 2 basketball. Barangay 2 basketball. Magdalaman. Number 22. Yeah. For 2 by number 22. Angel. 49-43. Well, whistle is a jump ball violation. Barangay 2 basketball. Barangay 2 basketball. Oh, yun yung araw, malinaw. Barangay 2 basketball. Okay. All possession ng Barangay Tibukaw. Barangay Tibukaw basketball. Barangay Tibukaw basketball. Okay, proceed, Mr. F. Wait, same ball, same ball. Same ball. Time to shoot. We have a whistle. Foul on number 35. Pushing foul on number 35. Number 35 is your first personal foul and 13 fouls for Barangay 2. It's a traveling violation. Traveling violation. Portable Mr. F. Portable Mr. F. Number 10 out. Number 17. Okay. Proceed, Mr. F. Proceed.
Wala.
Proceed. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Number 3. 22. No good.
Masabi.
It's number 22.
Yung.
Duncan and collecting for two by number 22 is Dog. 49-45, a 4-point lead.
Sayang.
Stop. There's no, all the ball. Stop.
Shout boss MDRR.
Number 27 for Barangay 2. Number 11 out for number 47 in. Okay,
Shout.
proceed. For number 8. 51 against 45, 6-point lead by Barangay 2.
Mahaba pa oras.
15 to shoot. We have a whistle. Foul on number 3. And also technical foul on number 3. Technical foul. Number 3 is your second personal foul.
Technical.
And technical shot. Okay. One technical shot and then reception for possession ng Barangay Tibukaw. Sandali lang posto. Okay, stop the set. Hold the ball. Number 3 out for number 10 in. Okay, proceed. 1 point for number 7. 1 point. Okay, proceed, Mr. F. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 8, 6, 5. Okay. Okay lang po yan. May mga referees tayo na sasabi kung saan po nila ibibigay ang bola. We are whistle.
Sayang yun ah.
Foul on number 8. Pushing foul number 8. Penalty. Stop the set for the ball. Number 8 out for number 30. Hindi basket. Hindi, the shot is not counted. The shot is not counted. Penalty. Fourth personal foul on number 8. Warning for excluded. First toe on number 22, no good. The second and final toe by number 22, the ball is up. No good again. Number 35 recover the ball. Number 47. We have a whistle. It's a traveling violation. Barangay Tibukaw basketball. 1 minute and 57 seconds.
Patay ka.
Number 10 to number 47. Number 47 to number 22. Number 22. Yes, for 2 by number 22. 53 against 46. The ball goes out. The same ball. Same ball.
Patay.
Number 17. No good. 15 to shoot. Number 14, we have a whistle. For number 47. Hacking foul on number 47, penalty, Mr. Red. Number 47, it's your first personal foul and penalty. 2 shots awarded to number 14. First throw. No good.
Naalat na ang dibukaw. 50...
59.5 seconds.
56 na ito.
The second and final throw by number 14. Yes, for 1 point. 1 point. 53 again. 47.
53-47.
50 seconds.
53-47.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Tira. Patay. Dahali ka kay Doro.
30 seconds. Wala. 20 seconds. We have a whistle. 17 seconds more to play. Foul on number 47. Hacking foul on number 47. Second personal foul on number 47. 17 seconds. 2 shots awarded to number 14. First throw on number 14. The ball is up. Yes, for 1 point. A second and final throw by number 14. The ball is up. Complete the point. 53 against 49.
53-49.
A 4-point lead. Ay, Barangay 2.
Oh!
2 points, number 22. 5 seconds.
Dalawa.
Okay, time for the third period. Our score is 55 against 49. A 6-point lead by Barangay 2.
Inalat yung libukaw. Hindi pa lang. Round robin na tayo na eh.
Okay. Team fouls of 4 teams. For Barangay 2. Number 10, Pito. Third personal foul. Number 30, Mora. 2. Second personal foul. Number 35, Francis. 1. Malaksa, number 7, 1 foul. Umir, number 3, 2 fouls. Jawed, 2 fouls. Prudencio, 2 fouls. Argalin, warning for excluded, 4th foul. Number 16, 2 fouls. Okay, for Barangay Jubukao. For Barangay Jubukao. Toro. Third personal foul. Lozano. Third personal foul. Granada. Third personal foul. Campo. Number 14. Third personal foul. A total of 12 points. Okay. Yung po mga team fouls natin ha. Natandaan nyo. Lahat ng players ng Jubukao ay yung nakapasok lang na mga pinasok nyo ay puro third foul. Puro third foul sila lahat. Okay.
Oh, pare, last quarter.
Okay, ang timeout po natin, coach. Dalawang timeout ng Jubukao, may dalawang nalalabi. At ang Barangay 2 ay may tatlong timeout. Okay, malinaw na malinaw po yan ha. 2 timeout ang Barangay Jubukao, 3 ang Barangay 2. Okay, back to the ball games, Mr. F. Proceed. Proceed, Mr. F. Back to the ball game.
Happy viewing po kay Artin Romulo.
Okay, Mr. F. Final period po tayo. Final period. Number 3. Yes, for 2 by number 3. 57-49. Number 27. Number 3. Number 3, Umir, it's your third personal foul. 2 shots awarded to number 1. De La Cruz. At second personal foul pa lang ni Amir. First throw. No good. Second personal foul pa lang ni Umir. Second personal foul, Umir. And second and final throw by number 1, De La Cruz, yes, for 1 point. 57 against 50. A 7-point lead. A 58. 2 points for Ovil. Number 3, 2 points. 59 against 50. 9-point lead. 10 to shoot. To shoot. 10 to shoot. William Ruizel. Foul number 26. Hacking foul on number 26. 2 shots awarded to number 14. First personal foul on number 26. Ang Barangay 2. First throw, number 14. Yes, for 1 point.
Apa? Isa pang kick and goal.
Complete 2 points by number 14.
Malo.
It's number 30 to number 10. Back to number 30. Back to number 10 to number 5. Double throws out. Barangay Tibukaw Basketball. Barangay Tibukaw Basketball. 59-52, 7-point lead by Barangay 2.
Pito lang yan, pito. Ay!
Okay. An error there by Barangay Tibukaw. Error. Barangay 2 Basketball. Number 26. The same ball. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 to shoot. Number 26. William Wilson. It's a traveling violation by number 26. Okay, it's up for the ball. Number 26 out for number 22. To shoot. Hey, we have a whistle. Hawak. We have a whistle. Point for number 27. 59-54, a 5-point lead. Number 10. 13 years for 2 by number 10. 61-54. 15 to shoot. Foul on number 14. Hockey foul on number 14. Two shots awarded to number 3. Warning. Number 14 na Barangay Tibukaw. Warning for excluded. Okay. All the ball, Mr. Rep. Sino ba ang papalitan mo? Okay. Number 7 for number 1. Two shots awarded to number 3. First throw. Number. Second and final throw by number 3. The ball is up. Number 3. Where whistle. Foul number 3. Hockey foul. Number 3, your third personal foul on number 3. And 13 foul. Okay, 13 foul.
Oh, foul.
Same ball, 13 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Okay, time out! Barangay 2. $61 against 54. games. We have 6 minutes and 29 seconds more to play for the final period. 6 minutes. Barangay 2 basketball. Barangay 2 basketball. Okay, proceed, Mr. Rep. Proceed. Take the shoot. And the shoot. Number 7. December. December. Points for number 10. 61 against 56. A 5-point lead. 5-point lead. The ball goes out. December sa Mr. Hold the ball, Mr. Number 7 out. Barangay 2. Number 35 in. Number 35 in. Proceed, Mr. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Hintayin nyo kasi. Hintayin nyo. Okay, barangay 2 basketball. Barangay 2 basketball. Barangay 2 basketball. Number 7. 61-59. Jaga kembali. Realization. Follow number 7. Pocket power number 7. 2 shot awarded to number 35. 61-59. Warning on number 7 for excluded. Warning on number 7 for excluded. First foul. Yes, that's right. By number 35.
Sanday laban.
Second and final throw by number 35. Oh, yung mga audience yan parang ito, masyado na kayong lumalapit. Kayo. Parang ito, yung mga audience niya, atras. Atras. Lagot.
Patay. Patay.
52-61. A 1-point lead. 1-point lead. 1-point lead. Okay, we have a very special referee timeout. Okay, turn. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Referee time out lang. Back to the ball game. Oh, yung walang barangay ito. Atras po kayo dyan. Atras. Atras yung mga audience yung barangay ito. Coach and Captain Boss lang dyan. Okay, ang time out ng barangay ito po ay... Tibukaw. Dalawa. Okay, dalawa. Okay, proceed, Mr. F, proceed. Opo mga pasok yung mga kuyaw-yaw ng barangay ito at yung mga padyan. Number 22. Number 7. Pumping. 10 to shoot. It's throw. Number 7. 63. Apartment. Okay, it's error. Parang kayo di buka basketball. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, time out! Hold the ball, Mr. Left. Reserve time out, parang kayo 2. Reserve time out, parang kayo 2.
Lamang yung boss na isa.
Okay, proceed back to the ball game. Mr. F, back to the ball game. 64-63. Back to the ball game. Barangay Dibukaw basketball. Okay, Dibukaw basketball. Amir, 66-63. 3.3 by Barangay Boom. Number 7. Ergo. Number 8. Number 3. Time out, Barangay Dibukaw. Okay, may isang time out na lang kayo, Dibukaw. Isang time out na lang. At ang barangay ito ay mayroon pang may isang time out pa rin. Both teams ha. Coach ng barangay ito at Barangay Dibukaw. May take isang time out na lang kayo, take isang time out.
Ilan ni score?
2 minutes and 17 seconds. 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
Tatalo pa ata yung Dibukaw. Laglag ata sila.
Okay, time, Mr. F. Proceed to the midcourt. Back to the ball game. Players, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 68-63. 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Okay. Proceed, Mr. F.
68-63.
Kuya Michel. Foul on number 3. Pushing foul on number 3. Number 3, it's your fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul and warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, Barangay 2. Fourth personal foul. Amir, fourth personal foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 2 minutes! Last 2 minutes! And this last 2 minutes is brought to you by Mayor Ariel S. Pitocas 2025. Number 14, Lagos, 130. Number 22. The shot is counted. It's accounted for, committed by number 14. Pushing foul, counted foul. One more shot. Number 14. Fouled out. Graduate, number 14. Number 14, fouled out. One more shot, one more shot. Okay, referee's timeout, referee's timeout, referee's timeout. Okay, back to the ball game, boys. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Rep, bonus shot yan, bonus shot. Bonus shot, bonus shot. Okay, bonus shot, bonus shot. It's a counted foul committed by number 14. Counted foul. Okay, proceed, Mr. Rep. Person play. Person play. Bonus shot. Yes, complete 3 points by number 3. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 2 points on number 10. 71 again, 64.
71, 64.
65.
Ay, 65.
Points, number 10, 58 seconds. 58 seconds, 71, 65. Brianna Michel. Foul on number 22. Blocking foul on number 22. Number 22, warning for excluded. And warning also for penalty. 71-67. Brianna Michel. Foul on number 1. Penalty, Mr. Rep, penalty. Both teams now are in penalty situation. Both teams are in penalty situation. 55 seconds. First number 10. Yes, for 1 point. A second and final throw by number 10, double shot. An air ball. 72-67.
72-67.
25 seconds. We have a whistle. Foul on number 27. Hakim foul on number 27. Number 27, warning for excluded. Warning for excluded.
Ilang
Two
score?
shot, awarded to number 8. First on number 8. Yes, for 1 point. Ay, number 8. Okay, mamaya po kayo makuyan. May raffle ticket po tayo kung sino mananalo. Okay. We have a whistle. Okay, foul on number 35. Penalty. 40 seconds. 73-67. 73-67. 40 seconds. Matagal pa yan.
Tagal pa yan. Ilan lang ang lamang.
First throw. Yes, for 1 point.
68.
Complete the point.
Diretso mo.
Number 3. Oh, namulikan. Referee's time out. 33.3 seconds. Okay, buhatin nyo na. Huwag nyo nang patagalin pa. Okay, sub. Kung sinang papalit. For number 7. Okay, sinang papalit. Kaya lang? Okay, number 3, replacing for number 7. Proceed, Mr. Rep. 30 seconds. $25. Okay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And the winners, Barangay 2. Congratulations, Barangay 2. And also to Barangay Dibuco Power Corporation. Lagi, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much.